Alright, so this is lesson 7. 2 burritos cost $14. Complete the table to show the costs for 4, 5, and 10 burritos at that rate. Then find the cost of a single burrito in each case. So, if 2 cost $14, then 4 cost $28. Now, 5 we can't really get to yet, so let's go to 10. 10 is 2 times 5, so 5 times 14. Well, 5 times 4 is 20, carry 2. 5 times 1 is 7, or 5, plus the 2 is 7. So that's $70. Now, to get from 10 to 5, we divide by 2. So half of 70 is 35. And now we find the unit rates. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 70 divided by 10 is 7. Excuse me. And so, what do we notice about the values in this table? Well, unit rate is always 7. We multiply by 7 to get the cost. So the number of burritos times 7, so 7 times B. And 7 goes here. So, Noah bought B burritos and paid C dollars. Lynn bought twice as many burritos as Noah and paid twice the cost as he did. How much did Lynn pay per burrito? Well, if we do the division, now this is some algebra here. We do the cost in dollars, 2 times C over 2 times B. Well, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And so we're left with C over B. And so they paid the same amount. Explain why, if you can buy B burritos for C dollars or buy 2 B times B burritos for 2 times C dollars, the cost is the same in either case. Okay. Well, if you buy B for C, 2 times B, 10, or 2 times C. Well, kind of what I just did right here. Okay. C over B, if I multiply by 2 over 2, I get 2C over 2B. And if I divide by 2 over 2, if I divide both top and bottom by 2, I get C over B. So they're equivalent fractions. So they are equivalent rates. Excuse me. Complete the table, then explain the strategy you used to do so. Well, we know that the speed is 6 bracelets per hour. Well, we know that the hours was 2. So 2 hours, 6 per hour, so that's 12. Is 2 times 6. 5 times 6 would be 30. 7 times 6 would be 56. And so now we work backwards. 66 divided by 6 would be 11. And 10 divided by 6 would be 1. That's a typo. Interesting. And 4. So 1 and 4/6, or 1 and 2/3. So the strategy, multiply the time by the rate, divide the bracelets by the rate. Okay, and so that was to find bracelets, to find time. Here's a partially filled table from an earlier activity. Use the same strategy used for the bracelet problem to solve this table. Well, 14 divided by 7 is 2. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 5 times 7 is 35. 10 times 7 is 70. And so does it match the earlier table? Yes. 2, 14, 4, 28, 5, 35, 10, 70. Yes. The strategy works. Okay, and for the third activity, it takes 4 pounds of apples to make 6 cups of applesauce. Sorry. If you can hear my son, I'm sorry. He's yelling in the other room. At this rate, how much applesauce can you make with 7 pounds of apples? 10 pounds of apples. Well, find the unit rate first. So it's not on part of the table, but find the unit rate. Six divided by 4 is 1. 0.5. And so 1.5 times 7, that's 5. Carry 3. 7 and 3 is 10. So 10.5. And so goes into there 1. 0.5. And so our unit rate is 1.5. 10 times 1.5, well, we move the decimal 1 spot, so that's 15. And so then we do 9 and 20 wants to know how many pounds of apples. So we do 9 divided by 1.5. Well, it doesn't go into 9 at all, is we do 15 into 90. And well, that's going to be an 8. 0 carry 4, that's too much. And so let's try 6. 0 carry 3, and so that's 90. Six divided by 9, if we check it. Sorry, it should be 9 divided by 6. Is 1.5. Okay, so see how it's all working out to the same unit rate. Now I need some room, so goodbye to all that. And so now we do 20 divided by 1.5. Move the decimal over. 15 goes into 20 once. With 5 left over, bring down the 0. Goes into 50 3 times. With 5 left over. And so it's going to be 5 repeating. With 5 left over anyway. And so that would be 13 and 5/15, or 13 and 1/3. And so here, 10.5, 15, 6, 13 and 1/3. Okay, and that's it for lesson 7.